everybody. I wanted to show you a quick way to share your lecture slides so you can flip your classroom. So what we're going to do, and this is Percy Pimpolis. She's got some lecture slides that she wants her students to view before they come to class so they can work on some application exercises rather than lecture. So what I'm going to do is we've already got this SAMR model PowerPoint open, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to say File, and I'm going to say Export, and I'm going to select Create a Video, and I'm going to say 2 minutes. You don't have to have the recorded timings and narrations, but 2 seconds on each slide for this, and then I'm going to select Create Video. You see it's an MP4. It says MPEG-4, and I'm going to go ahead and save this to my desktop. If you could see down here at the bottom, I'll pull it down there. See where it says Creating Video SAMR Model for TCEA MP4. So it is going to take a little bit to do that. So you're going to want to make sure that you take the time and you realize that it's not going to be there immediately. So now that you have that done, you actually have your lovely SAMR model for TCEA file right down there. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Clever and It's Learning. And I'm going to go to my sandbox so I don't mess something else up. And plans. And I'm going to go ahead and make this a resource or an activity. Let's go ahead and say an activity. So I'm going to go here, Show All, and go to PlayPosit. Now, if you don't have PlayPosit showing up here, there's a little thing we need to do. So just call me and let me know, and I can help you do that. So I'm going to select PlayPosit. And I am going to name this SAMR. Okay, and I'm going to say Get Started. And I'm going to use this video to create a new bulb. So I'm going to select New Bulb. And I'm going to upload my MP4. All right, and it's on my desktop. And I'm going to open it. It is uploading. And so here is my video. So I can go ahead and start playing it. And I'm going to go ahead and add that to my bulb. So here's my bulb. And this is where I go in and I can create some questions to make sure that my students are actually responding. So I can go here and start playing it. I can click on this little thing here. I can add a question, and it's going to pause it right there. I can do multiple choice, free response. So I'll go here and what are indicators of learning? So I can go in and create a bunch of different questions here. Okay, and notice that I have one question right here. I'm going to go ahead and continue playing, and we'll go through several. And I can move that forward. Okay, and say here, list 3 learning verbs. You guys get the idea with that. And then we're going to go ahead and go to save. So I can go ahead and move these questions wherever I want to. So I can even come up with my list of questions prior to making my video, type them all in or copy and paste, and then put them in the right spot. So now that we're done, I'm going to select Done right up here. Okay. And save and finish. And so here's my new bulb. I'm going to select this right here and set the bulb link. I want to have the students do this self-paced, and I'm going to set the link, and now it's going to be in itslearning. So what the students will now do is they're going to go ahead and select this. It's going to look a little different because you're a teacher. And then it'll go ahead and populate this for the students to do. In order to see how they've done, you can select on the monitor link, and it will have all of this. It'll even have each student, what they've done, etc. So I think it can be really useful for you if you guys need to have some more time in class to do additional things. Then this should be a big help because the kids can be held accountable for watching the lecture slides and taking notes. And then you can do activities and group work and guided practice in class and cover more material. Thanks. If you have any questions, let me know.